Let's practice some SOHCAHTOA right angle trigonometry. This here is a right angle. It means 90 degrees. And what is this acronym? SOHCAHTOA. This Greek letter theta is often used to represent the angle. It's called theta. We have this classic 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triple. And the idea of SOHCAHTOA is it shows a relationship between two sides. This here is called the opposite. The opposite of angle theta is side 3. This here is called the hypotenuse. It's the longest side, and it also happens to be opposite the 90-degree angle. So what does the letter S represent? It represents sine, or sin. Sine theta, sine of the angle, not sine times the angle, sine of the angle equals O, which represents opposite, over H, which is the hypotenuse. So what is sine theta? Sine theta is 3 over 5, opposite, which is 3 over 5, the hypotenuse. So the same goes with cos and tan. C represents cos. So we have cos theta, cosine of the angle theta, equals A, which represents adjacent, over the hypotenuse, HYP, hypotenuse. So the adjacent of theta is the side other than the opposite and the hypotenuse. Adjacent means beside. It's not the 5 because that's taken already by the hypotenuse. It's the side length 4. So cosine theta equals adjacent, which is 4, over h, which is hypotenuse, 5. So by the way, the word sine can also be written as sine as a full word, but we're so used to using 3 letters, a nice abbreviation. Same with the word cosine. We're not going to write this whole word, we're just going to write cos. So cosine theta is 4/5 or 0.8. This fraction, 4/5, is equivalent to the decimal number 0.8. Now what about the letter T? What does T represent? It's tan. Tan or tangent. Tan theta is O over A, opposite over the adjacent. So here we are at theta. Across the field, this triangular grass field, we have 3. Tan theta equals 3 over adjacent. Your friend is the number 4. So tan theta is 3 over 4 or 0.75. Same thing. Now let's talk about some conventions. By convention, we label the angles as capital letters. We have capital A, capital B, capital C as angles. We could call this angle A. This means angle, or we can even use a little curve here. It still means angle A. Angle A we can also call angle CAB. Angle CAB is like connect the dots. We go from C to A to B, which refers to this angle here. Do not list 3 angles. We're only talking about one angle, which happens to be the angle in the middle, which is angle A. Now what about side lengths? The capital letter A happens to be opposite the lowercase a. The side lengths by convention are lowercase. Capital B is the angle, and opposite the triangle is lowercase b. This here is side length B. And opposite angle C, we have lowercase c over here.